All right, I'm Jonathan McNees with McNees Custom Knives. I wanted to talk to you guys today at Blade Show 2021 about our new performance machine line. We've got a line of folders. We've got the Mac 2, which is a 3-inch frame lock folder. These are being made completely in the US. We do have some OEM work done. We do a good bit of the work in-house in our shop. We've got those, and we've got a couple of little fixed blades. We've got a self-defense dagger, and we've got a little utility ring dagger. All right, and the newest thing we brought to Blade is the 3.5-inch version of the Mac 2. It's the same knife, just enlarged. We're going to be having this out hopefully within the next 2 to 3 months.
So this is the prototype currently?
This is the prototype. This is a hand-ground prototype, and we'll have the production model hopefully within about 2 to 3 months.
Now, so what is the steel that we're using for these knives?
These are all 20 CV on the folders, and on the little ring daggers, and on the little neck knives, those are Nitro V.
All right, and so I love the Made in the USA flags on the box.
Yes, sir.
I love the logo that's behind us. And so you're doing custom work as well?
That's right. I've been making customs since about 2008. So I'm still making some customs while we get this production thing going. My volume has dropped considerably because we're doing so much other stuff, but still am making a few customs. Mostly sell those at shows and small drops on the website.
Is there any particular features about the knives that are unique or that you want to share with someone?
Well, they're full titanium frame lock. They're 20 CV blade. Then we have their own cage bearings. They have a carbidized lock face, carbide depent ball.
Beautiful.
So basically we make these in the same fashion that I make my customs. It's just that we're doing some of the work through OEM shops and not doing it all in-house.
All right, so. And what would the price point of some of these be? I know you got your custom, it's a custom.
Right. So for the performance machine line, on these 3-inch Mac 2s, they start at $467.
Okay.
And they go up a little bit for like engraving and some of the other stuff we do to them. Like the it's engraved model would be $487 retail. Okay. And then the bigger one, the 3.5-inch that's coming out, is going to start at $495.
All right. Well, that was definitely not a dull moment. That was lightning fast and a great product. We appreciate you being here.
Thank you.
Have a great Blade Show. We're so glad you're here to represent it.
Thank you very much.
All right.